Hello and welcome to our channel Business by World, where we explore the world of luxury cars. In today's video, we will be discussing one of the most iconic and luxurious car brands in the world, Rolls-Royce. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why are Rolls-Royce cars so expensive? Well, the answer lies in the craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the use of high-quality materials in every aspect of the car's construction. Rolls-Royce cars are hand-built by highly skilled craftsmen and women, who take great pride in their work, resulting in a car that is truly one of a kind. The process of building a Rolls-Royce car is a meticulous one, with every detail being carefully planned and executed. The leather used in the interior of the car is carefully selected from the best available hides, and the wood used in the dashboard and trim is sourced from sustainable forests. Even the paint used on the car is specially formulated and applied by hand, with up to 5 coats being applied to ensure a flawless finish. Now that we've discussed why Rolls-Royce cars are so expensive, let's move on to the different variants that are available. Rolls-Royce currently offers 4 different models: the Ghost, the Wraith, the Dawn, and the Phantom. Each model has its own unique features and characteristics, but all of them share the same level of luxury and attention to detail that Rolls-Royce is known for. The Ghost is the smallest and most affordable model in the Rolls-Royce lineup, starting at around $311,900. Despite its smaller size, the Ghost is still a luxurious and powerful car, with a 6.75-liter V12 engine producing 563 horsepower. The Wraith is a 2-door coupe that starts at around $338,700. It features a more powerful engine than the Ghost, with a 6.6-liter V12 engine producing 624 horsepower. The Wraith is also known for its striking design and impressive handling. The Dawn is a convertible version of the Wraith, with a starting price of around $356,500. It shares the same engine as the Wraith, but with the added bonus of being able to enjoy open-top driving. The Phantom is the flagship model of the Rolls-Royce lineup, starting at around $455,000. It is the largest and most luxurious model, with a spacious interior and a powerful 6.75-liter V12 engine producing 563 horsepower. The Phantom is also available in an extended wheelbase version for even more interior space. Finally, let's discuss who the owner of Rolls-Royce is. Rolls-Royce is currently owned by the BMW Group, who acquired the brand in 1998. Despite being owned by BMW, Rolls-Royce cars are still built in the company's factory in Goodwood, England, and maintain their reputation for being the pinnacle of luxury and craftsmanship. In conclusion, Rolls-Royce cars are expensive for good reason. They are meticulously crafted using only the best materials and by highly skilled craftsmen and women. The brand offers 4 different models, each with their own unique features and starting prices, and are owned by the BMW Group. We hope you enjoyed learning more about Rolls-Royce, and we'll see you in the next video. Do like and subscribe our channel.